Google Chrome has a new look. Here's how it looks like now. Everything has become beautiful, but there's a catch. All this is in beta mode, so not everybody would see what I'm seeing. Well, if you aren't seeing it in this way, in this video, we'll show you how to change your Google Chrome to look like this. So first things first, you have to update your Google Chrome. Go to your settings, then about Chrome, and make sure it's updated. Once it's updated, just go to this link and search for refresh. Enable both the Chrome Refresh 2023 and the Chrome Web UI Refresh 2023. After that, search for side panel. That is the customized Chrome side panel. Enable that one too. Once it's done, just restart your Chrome. Then you have the new look. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. See you in the next one.